In this video, I'll show you how to create a smart resume and cover letter with Canva. Canva is a free graphic design tool that can help you create professional-looking documents, even if you have no design experience. So let's get started. The first step is to create an account on Canva. To do this, go to canva.com. Click on Sign Up and create an account with your email or using Google or Facebook accounts. After logging in, search for resume or cover letter in the search bar. Canva offers a wide range of templates for both documents, so choose one that best suits your style and career aspiration. The next step is to customize the selected template. Once you've selected your template, you can start customizing it to your liking. You can change the font, colors, and layout of the document. To edit any element of the template, simply click on it and use the toolbar on the left to make your changes. Okay, now it's time to add your content. That is, to replace the text in the template with your own information, such as your name, contact information, your work experience, education and skills, and others. Kindly make sure that your information is accurate and up to date. If you want to add some personality to your resume, you can add your own image. To do this, click on Upload button and a dialog box appears. Then navigate to the location where you stored your image and then open the image. You can also customize the image, apply filter, and make other changes. Once you're happy with your document, you can download them as a PDF or PNG file. You can also share them directly from Canva by clicking on the Share button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.